Hi, my name is Royce with Indepth Utility Solutions. Today I'd like to show you how to troubleshoot your camera on your Vivax Metrotech vCam-5 and vCam-6. Now in another video we show you how to remove the camera head and to replace it. So in this video I just want to show you how to troubleshoot the camera head. So first of all, once we remove it, I want to look at the camera head and I want to make sure that there's no moisture in the camera and everything's in good condition. Next, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to, in this, there's a round plug on the side of your vCam-5 and vCam-6 control module. We want to unplug it, and then what you're going to see here is a plug in which we can plug our camera in. And what I want you to take notice of is that right here there's a little slot at the top of here, and that's a little key where right here at the top we want to line those up and plug it in. Okay, so I'm just going to take it and I'm going to line it up. And what I want to see is always a good sign when the lights come on. So I want to troubleshoot the lights, and so I'm going to just adjust it back and forth, make sure it gets bright. Now if you'll look at, and I'm just turning the knob back and forth here to get that adjustment. Next thing I want to do is I want to look and see if I have a good picture. Is the picture clear? Is it focused? And what I notice here in this camera head is that it's not clear. Now one of the things that we want to check out is the lens clean or not, because there may not be anything wrong with the camera. It may not be out of focus. There just may be something on that lens like grease or something like that. So I want to get a paper towel and I'm going to wipe it off. So we're going to take this paper towel and we're going to wipe the lens off. And now notice how clean it is now. So there was nothing wrong with the camera. It was just the lens that was dirty. And so now I verified that the lights are working and then I got a good picture on the camera head. So this is a good camera. So if you have any problems, it wouldn't be with the camera head, more than likely. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Our contact information is at the bottom of this video, or you can go to our website.